everyone, this is Sam Wong again. Happy New Year! I hope 2024 you found a very rewarding and exciting year and look forward for even better for 2025. It was a fantastic year rebounding from the fourth quarter witnesses of 2023. Among the portfolio I have recommended, as you can see, HYLN Helium was an overachiever. It turned around from lower than $2 to 52-week highs of $4.10, you see right here. Of course, Tesla, which $120 to 260 where I sold, and now it's like over $400. Meta, which is from $180 to $500 over, which I sold as well. Apple is at 52-week highs, 255. Microsoft, Netflix, which is another great one, from 220 to over or close to $1,000, which is, if you listen to my video, that how I projected, it was very accurate, but I sold mostly around $700. These were big winners for 2024, and if you have any of these in your portfolio, you should be doing very well. The travel industry as well is apparently coming back from COVID. United Airlines, which you can go back to my video, will jump from $36 to $100. I sold at around 62 for most of my shares. And CCL, which is a cruise, also has trended upward from $18 to $26, which I sold around $25. So Santa Claus effect, unfortunately, was clouded with potential decrease of interest rate for 2025 and other indicators that causing the most stock pulling back from the midweek of December strong, and also profit taking, as you know that most of the institutional investors went on holiday, so then the small volume created more volatility, and also some people changing the position of the options as well. And with the news that unfortunately, you really created the momentum as I projected, and actually you create a sideline story, which means that now is a good opportunity to properly buy some of the stock, or as you listen to my video earlier, right, go into the index because it was projected to be another strong year. So this represents a potential buy opportunity set up for 2025 success. All major indexes overall were doing really great among the last 3 years in terms of performance. We have some idea what Trump administration is aiming to do and impact policy going forward, which marks them making a market analyst believe that the market is going to be stock market is going to be favorable even despite with the inflation tariffs in place. So what are the predictions for 2025? S&P 500 earnings will grow by double digit in 2025. These are supported by 3 things: robust operating margin expansion, continued optimistic earning revisions, and accelerated sales growth expected. The effect of tariffs may not be as big as it sounds. The Canadian Prime Minister Justin has already visited Donald Trump at to discuss the border security and trade, while Mexican new president also pledged cooperation on immigration and discussion with Trump. Europe is suffering its own economic challenge, so imposing tariff make it worse off, and also discussing with Trump as well. And China obviously is talking about 10% imposing, which is actually less than other countries, but overall then you will be 60% put in place on that. And again, there was talking about some kind of EV electronic vehicle come to the U.S. and you could be imposed 100% tariffs. But even with that, it is still lower prices than the U.S. auto industry. So again, there's a lot of reflection as well at year end of 2024. Consumer spending remained very high during holiday season. Mastercard SpendingPulse reported that holiday shopping between November 1st and December 24th, excluding auto sales, rose 3.8% versus the same period a year ago. Consumer spending rose 3.1% during the same period a year ago, according to Mastercard. Small cap may also be benefit from deregulation and lower taxes for 2025. Given the small cap represent Russell 2000 index have underperforming badly for the last 3 years, they may be performing the mid cap will be benefit as well in 2025. So, we have seen the market in sideways. As I said, it probably be a buying opportunity. So the key thing is on Monday, this coming Monday, when as institutional investor coming back, it will mark an important milestone or test the market momentum to see if it's gonna, gonna be end with high on Monday. Friday, we know that there's some volatility, but end up be, position higher than the trading on Thursday. So I would like to spend the last few minutes to share some chart about the stock I'm talking about and suggesting. This one, HYLN, as you see in the chart in Helium, it was again the 52-week highs of $4.10 will happen in the fourth quarter. It imposed opportunity for buying now as it dropped so much from the high end to $2.60-ish range. The spot has been driven by insider purchases with stern confidence of future outlook, with signing also more government contract to boost revenue. So this stock is also a good candidate for short-term trading, just that you know. But for the long run, again, the electronic vehicle, the alternative fuels, is going to be looked forward to in 2025 or forward. So I'm looking for this stock. Obviously, right now still losing money, but they cutting the spending so to make the profitability look more optimistic. I hope they will have more sales, so ultimately will drive it to to profit. And once that happens, then obviously it will turn around very quickly. Again, this stock was at $52 and dropped it to 80 cents, actually 53 cents, and now we're coming back that as high as $4. So there's a lot of potential in this stock. And right now, it's probably is a good point to watch and consider buying if you don't have any holdings. The other one, ACLS, this stock again in third quarter was very solid and strong in 2024, following the momentum and growing along the same pattern with Nvidia. But again, however, the fourth quarter started to slip. We see that the stock as strong as $158, a 52-week high. And then right now it's really at the low end, $68, but there's a support. So then every time you hit the low end, that point about 68, 69, you rebound back to 70 or higher. So I'm looking for this stock to be $100. Many analysts have a buy rating on this stock, and really thinking you will hit $100 in 2025. Hopefully, maybe after first quarter, then it's like giving you like 30+% return in 3 months. So just something to think about that. And then they have their own upswing potential right now. They have a very low, already at the very lowest in the 52 weeks range. The next one is my favorite too. It's one of the Chinese vehicle besides BYD, and this is Xpeng. Xpeng, again, the IPO price is $14-ish. They jump as high as $76, close to $76. Now they're at $12. I bought it at the position about $8.50 for those who listen to my video. I sold it about $14, right? So I'm actually in my portfolio, from my perspective, I think it's about the right time. It's actually below $12 a Friday trading day. It's good to consider buying back. And then you watching to get over to $13 or so again. So that will give you 10% return plus in the short-term range. This stock has really upswing potential. It's currently trading below IPO price. And again, the electric vehicle will continue to be the future. The market share is going to be penetrated more to replacing the traditional gasoline car. So looking for the turnaround profitability for this stock due to scalability, economic scale. I like this. I like the model of the car that they produce. So I think they're very, among all the EV stock, they are in one of the top rankings of the stocks of the companies. Okay. And the only one I'm concerned about at this moment is Pinduoduo. So the stock, again, at $200 some, when they do in Chinese delisting, it dropped to $23. Right now it's around, let's say, $100, which are above the mid-range of the low end and high end. So with Trump administration, they're going to be impose a tariff. This stock will be very significantly impacted. So I look forward to this stock. However, I believe this stock is undervalued right now. P/E ratio is 9.66, which is very attractive. But again, the geopolitical risk is outweighing the economic performance and the fundamental of the stock right now. So something to think and watch. If you hit 120, I would think this is a good position to walk, at least for now in the buyback, and see what happened with Trump's tariff policy, and then lowering, and also the international company, Chinese company, how they performing, and if any deregulation or law that can impact how they have to report their earnings in the U.S. So with everything I said and known for the moment, 2025 is projected to be another strong year with growth. So again, Happy New Year. Hope everything goes well for all of you, and this year will be another great year for you. Thank you very much.